Bathroom is so necessary that every single member of the family uses. Between hair, makeup, showers and all the other typical bodily function stuff that goes down behind closed doors, it's no wonder they can be an absolute pain to clean. Most household cleaners are made up of harsh cocktails of chemicals, which can be bad for your health and your kids' health. As we rethink what we are bringing into our homes, we are looking for greener solutions. What if there were 2 things you could do that would take less than 15 minutes and would keep your bathroom so clean? Would you want to do it? You can achieve a clean bathroom without using toxic chemicals. And with sustainability, natural living and the environment on our minds, more and more people are turning to natural, chemical-free methods of cleaning their bathrooms. This is how to disinfect your bathroom with a garlic clove. Before going to sleep, peel a garlic clove and put it inside your toilet. Let it there throughout the night, and in the following morning, flush. Do this procedure at least twice a week, and always at night since it is when the bathroom is less used. The garlic will help with its antimicrobial and antifungal powers. Another good option to disinfect the toilet, and one that brings quick results, is using garlic tea. Boil 1 cup of water in a pan. Once it starts boiling, cut 3 garlic cloves in small pieces and put it in the water. Turn off the heat, close the pan and let it sit for 15 minutes. After that, pour the tea inside your toilet. Just like the first tip, it is better if you do it just before going to bed, when the bathroom will be used less. These 2 tricks are the fastest way of disinfecting your toilet and getting rid of bacteria in a natural way, and it also eliminates those yellow spots around the toilet. Garlic always does an amazing job. Thank you so much for watching. Please make the comment below, don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel. Please click the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.